but we gotta decide whether we go this way or this way, right? So we check here to see if the hair has a strong growth this way, see that? And we don't want to go this way because it's gonna stand up, so we're just gonna push it this way.
Yeah,
It lays easier, so yeah, so we go that way. That will determine which way to comb the hair. So then we'll go here. He was gonna grow his hair, but now he decided to cut it. I did that so many times. I have similar hair, like straight hair. So I did that over and over. So let's just part it and then we'll just cut it. You keep the top long and cut the sides down to 1.5 and keep it at that. You're not doing a fade, right? Just taper the sides and basically we are just taking a little bit of the top like that, right?
Yeah, that's good.
So then maybe we should keep this a little bit almost like an undercut, an angle here, so we keep the front long.
Action.
Okay. Now we're gonna cut. Okay. I'm gonna slightly damp the hair so I can have better control of it. Blocks.
Action. All that hard work, man.
You gotta take care. And now he's got straight hair, so we're gonna have to take this corner in, otherwise that will stick out. We've been very busy with this storm, huh?
Yeah.
See, as we move towards the stump, you see this hair stays longer, but it will gradually get shorter.
That's how you parted it all the way up there?
Yeah, that's why I parted like an angle. Now we are not doing a fade. This is gonna stay this 1.5. We'll just spin up over here in the bottom of the neckline. So this hair will stay long, so if you push it this way, it'll have some length. Okay. Now we're gonna just shape top. So I know last time I used this edger, they were asking me, what is it? The edger is by Kime. Can you? Okay. It really is a nice edger. I like the ergonomics of it, how thin it is. It's actually very powerful for the size. I'm not sure how close you can gap it, It actually does get pretty close, but I didn't go to the maximum because I needed the clippers that I can use for like every haircut. And then I have another edge of that, like really zero gap, like I mean to the maximum. So this one doesn't cut as close. But the good thing about this one is it cuts pretty close, as you can see here, right? You see that?
Mm-hmm.
It gets pretty close, but it doesn't actually bite. It doesn't leave marks. So that's pretty good. I saw it online. It had very good reviews, so I wanted to try it. And it's actually pretty good. Okay. Just gonna taper this here. When I do my tapers from skin, first I like to start with like open blade and do my first line here,
Mm-hmm.
and then I'll just close it and like kind of freehand remove the line between 0 and half.
Mm-hmm.
Maestre, måste sätta el telefon. Now I'm gonna do one open blade. Just when I see some dark spots, I'm just gonna try to work on them. Okay. Now I'm using my half guard. Basically working with my way down to 0. I mean to half, basically what I had just get slightly closer in the sideburns area, because this area always grows fast and you want it nice and clean. So just a little bit closer right here. The clipper I'm using here is caliber, and the model is 50 cal. It's actually a very nice clipper. I love the ergonomics. I like the fact that it's not loud. It's a magnetic clipper. The only thing about this clipper is it's slightly heavy. It's heavier than a Magic. And also, I'm not too crazy about the guards, so I use wall guards. All the wall guards actually work on it. They match. So I use wall guards on it. And this half guard is my best friend.
It's like one of the 2 guards that you use ever.
All the time. 2 guards that I always use is 1.5 and this half.
Yeah.
Okay. He's got very straight hair, Pokey, so I want to use 1.5 with plastic guards just to blend a little bit more here. This will save me time. Okay.
Go ahead.
Just taking this corner so it doesn't stick out. I like this technique I call it thumb control.
What's the other name for it?
I don't know, what is it? Hold on, I think you told me, but I cannot think of it right now.
You failed this test so many
I
times.
know, it's some type of weird name.
Starts with an F.
With what?
A F.
F. Oh. I can't swear. I'm gonna connect this here with a straight edge razor, and since I'm not taking too much from the top, and also it has very straight hair, the hair needs some type of texture so you can keep the style. Otherwise, straight hair and heavy, it will just collapse fast. So here we use a razor over comb, and that will do it. Good. See? Very straight here, so we're gonna start from halfway. So how's your work, Bobby? Busy?
Busy. Very good.
Up. From jackhammering.
What's all the inside pictures?
Oh man, I woke up last night in the middle of the night and both my hands hurt actually from jackhammering. Look, see this? I appreciate my trade more
Yeah.
when I do some hard labor.
When do you plan to open this?
Honestly, I hope next month.
Really? Yeah, I know you said September.
So now I'm not sure what's gonna happen. I left him there. I left Hamza to manage the construction site.
No way, did you?
Yeah.
I was gonna
Oh
say,
my
where's your
gosh.
sidekick today?
My son with the character is over there. I told him, I said, listen, you're drying, you don't have to do more than like 15 seconds. How's other kids, Robbie? Listening?
Good? Yeah, right. I'll be home all day. Next month.
You'll be home?
Yeah, not going to school, so.
Yeah, no?
Nope. And now I think the teachers are trying to do a delayed start program too.
You have mosquitoes in your backyard.
Yeah, poor freaking, what do you call it?
Were you sitting outside last night?
Yep.
I can see.
I've destroyed my face too, up on my forehead, everything.
All right, Bobby, here we go.
Beautiful.